This is the department application for the educational leadership programs. You're going to find the applications on the web pages for the program of interest. I'm going to click on the department application. I'm going to start it. Every time I save progress, I'm going to save it with the same email that I used for in my form. I'm going to save all my documents to a folder on my desktop. So when I am ready to upload them, they are all named and ready to go. All the documents do have live links on this application form, as well as on the web pages. So I'm going to just go through it and show you the process, and then show you what the documents look like. This is the CashNet department application fee. I'm going to pay the fee. And once I get that, I'm going to upload the file right here. I have it saved in my department application file. And then I'm going to scroll down, answer all the questions that have required red stars next to them. I'm going to scroll down, answer questions about my school district and my program goals. The application does change a little bit, whether it's preliminary or clear. And then I'm going to start uploading my documents. So I have them all saved to a file on my desktop. If I wanted to change it, I can just upload it again. And then my letter of recommendation forms, I did send them to 3 people. One was an administrator, had them send them back to me. And then I uploaded it to this application. My clear credential I got from the CTC website educator profile. I uploaded that. My verification of experience, I sent it to different districts that I worked with, had them verify my experience and uploaded it here. My university application confirmation page showing the program and campus I applied to. There's nothing to upload here for transcripts. So I'm just going to go down, answer the last questions, upload my resume, my basic skills requirement. I do need to show verification by providing a copy of my CARD or CBEST score report. And then once I uploaded them, I'm going to check all the documents on my folder, and then I'm going to submit. Once I submit, I'm going to get verification, or it's going to tell me I'm missing something, and I'm missing a zip code, and then I'm going to either save it for later, or I'm going to submit it. And then it will give me confirmation that I submitted and sent me an email. Now I'm just going to show you what the documents look like. The CashNet receipt, pretty self-explanatory. The couple things that are not as the CBEST score report, I do need to get that score report or contact Pearson to get an archived report. The university application should show the program I applied for and my name, and then, or it could look a little different, but it should show the program. And the CTC, this is from the CTC site, all my documents, my letters of recommendation should be, one of them should be from an administrator and signed. And then I upload that. And I lost the thing. I have 3 of them. Resume is pretty self-explanatory. Statement of purpose, there is a form that you're going to fill out. You best to download the form, then save it, and then paste it, and then save it again. Then you're going to upload that. And then the last thing is your verification of experience. Again, you're going to send it to your district, have them verify it and sign it. It should be an HR analyst, and then you're going to send it back to you, and then you should be good to go. And that's going to be it.